Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable app drawer. As you can see right now, the app drawer is enabled, and in order to disable it, tap and hold on free space on the screen and go to settings. Enter home screen layout and select home screen only. Apply, and now app drawer is disabled. If you want to enable it again, tap and hold on free space on the screen, go to settings, enter home screen layout and select home and app screens. Tap apply and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.